into my black, just a tiny bit on there, and I would recommend using a flat to do this. I'm gonna pull up, and we're gonna make some sort of little like stems here, or tree trunks, not stems, I don't know why. And you can place them here and there and everywhere. So I have my tree trunks, not my stems. And we're gonna just put a little more black. And if you wanna make these with, you know, this type of brush, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do like 3 little thingies here, and you're just going to zigzag it across your canvas here. Just just zigzag it across. And you'll probably have to do that a couple times just to cover up your big fat stem. And you want to remember that most of your color you're going to want towards the center, because when you look at a tree, the most dense part of your pine tree is going to be in the middle. So that's a really nice thing to know when you're making these little silhouette trees, is that you want, or even if you're using green and you're making little pine trees like this, you always want the darkest part of it to be towards the center. I'm going to switch to a fan brush to show you how to do it with a fan brush. Switch to a fan brush. You don't have to use this. You can just keep doing it with your flat brush. That works just the same. I just want to show some variety in case you have one of these brushes or in case you don't. So you're just going to load up your brush with your black paint. You can use any color black you want to, and you're going to make your 3 little tips here. And then you're gonna go smallest to largest. You know what I mean, in the triangle. Does that make any sense? I don't know, that sounded like it didn't make any sense to me. The reason I like using this is because it makes, I like the pattern of it better. I like that it looks a little more realistic to me. And then we're gonna kind of darken up the center, because that's where you want the darkest part of your tree. And you can keep going over this as many times as you want to deepen the color. So make it, you know, thinner at the top, and then as you get towards the bottom, you're gonna thicken your tree. And you just gotta tap, tap, tap all the way down. So I think I'm pretty much done with this. So hopefully, you know, you learned something, or at least just had fun with me. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give this video a like if you liked it. And I will see you Wednesday.